Hello guys, welcome to Superviral Reviews. Today we are going to talk about AgencyPay, and if you want to get this you can go by clicking on the link given below. The easiest way to start multiple six-figure agencies in 2022. New agency software lands us $1,000 to $3,000 daily. With done-for-you websites, contracts, proposals, email swipes, DFY Facebook ads, banners, graphics, brochures, telemarketing scripts, videos, business cards, professional letterheads, invoices and access to over 300 million hot business leads. No list building, no affiliate marketing, no MLM, no e-commerce. So let's find out exactly what AgencyPay is.
Real people getting paid real, life-changing money with AgencyPay. These beta testers have been getting paid to help local businesses with their digital marketing. The best part is, they were able to do all of this with an easy-to-use, done-for-you multi-agency app that makes this easy. The entire process from start to finish is mostly automated. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. It's not MLM. You don't have to create products. You don't have to chase clients. You don't have to make cold calls. There's no hard selling. You don't have to set up complicated funnels or do any technical stuff. The digital marketing services are all inside the app. And everything is completely ready to go and deploy to local businesses with a few clicks. The best part is, it only takes us a few minutes to collect payments like this via bank, PayPal, or Payoneer. This is a real way to help local businesses and make some serious life-changing money in the process. Business owners are ready to gladly pay for these digital services to combat the effect of the recent pandemic on their business. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have anything to offer local businesses and I don't know how to get clients. That's okay. You don't have to. All you need is in our brand new app called AgencyPay. AgencyPay gives you everything you need to start multiple agencies across 50+ high-paying niches so you can quickly land clients without cold calling or hard selling and get paid $1,000 to $3,500 plus daily. With AgencyPay, you never have to worry about chasing clients or even know how to get clients on your own because everything you need to attract paying clients is included inside. And that's just the beginning. Right inside the app, you'll also get everything you need to set up multiple agencies and over 50 high-paying services you can deploy to your clients. Like stunning websites, professional banners, graphics, business cards, contracts, proposals, gorgeous brochures, invoices, and a lot more. With AgencyPay, we get paid $1,000 to $3,500 plus per day in just 3 steps on this page. It's that simple. We also give you access to step-by-step video training that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to activate your new agency in minutes and start getting clients fast. We'll show you everything we're doing to get paid $1,000 to $3,500 plus per day with AgencyPay. Plus, you get our agency franchise license that allows you to sell any of the done-for-you services as your own, charge whatever you want, and keep 100% of the profits for yourself. On top of everything else, we're also giving you access to ready-to-go proposals, invoices, and contracts that make it even easier to close deals and get paid. Even though we could easily charge $10,000 or more for all of the done-for-you digital marketing services in 100+ high-paying niches and $97 per month for access to AgencyPay, you won't pay anywhere near that today. During the initial launch, you get everything for a highly discounted one-time payment when you click the button below now. And in addition to the discounted price, you also get access to exclusive bonuses and our 30-day money-back guarantee. But please, don't wait around. The price is going to go up, and if you come back to get AgencyPay later, you could find yourself paying a lot more for access or missing out on this completely. Click the button below now to get AgencyPay before the price goes up.
So why you waste your time? Get instant access now. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for more information. Sign off.